Here's how you can make a three-way call on Android. So, Android phones support three-way calling using the built-in phone application. But the exact layout may vary slightly by brand. The basic process is the same on most devices. First, open the phone app on your mobile phone, then call the first person. So, you'll have to simply search for the person that you want to call and call the first person. Now, wait until the call is connected before moving to the next step. Three-way calling only works once the first call is active. During the call, tap the Add Call button on the call screen. That is just right here. Once you click this, it will open up your dial pad. Now, dial the number of the second person here, call them, and wait for them to answer. This will put the first person on hold automatically. Now, once the second call connects, tap this merge icon just right here. So you will see different options. Just click merge option and this will combine both calls into one conversation, allowing all three people to speak together at the same time. And if you want to manage the calls, you can place one caller on hold or end one call while keeping the other. Simply click drop and this will remove that person from this conversation. So these options appear on the same call screen. Keep in mind that some carriers may limit conference calling and older plans may not support it. And if you don't see the add call or merge option, check with your carrier or update your phone app. In short, to make a three-way call on Android, call the first person, add the second call, and merge both calls. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.